Welcome to my channel, Code with Fernando. In this video, we are going to see how to create a Docker image with Google Jib. So, what is Google Jib, by the way? Google Jib is an open source tool that builds optimized container images for Java applications without requiring a Dockerfile or Docker daemon. It integrates directly with Maven and Gradle, allowing Java developers to containerize applications easily and efficiently. So, we use this tool only for Java applications. Unlike traditional containerizing methods, Jib builds images layer by layer, making them smaller, faster to build, and easier to update. Why use Google Jib for Java? No need for Dockerfile. That's a really good option. Jib automatically handles all configuration. No Docker daemon required. This can build and push images without running Docker locally. Faster builds. Users later caching, meaning only modifies files are rebuilt. Optimized image size produces lightweight and efficient Java containers. This works natively with Maven and Gradle. No extra script and commands needed. So how do we do that? First of all, we make sure our project is set up to use Google Jib by defining the container image name in our POM XML file. Jib will automatically handle the Java runtime dependencies and layering for optimized builds. Build the image without a Dockerfile. In order to do that, we need to run this command, okay? This generates a Docker image directly without requiring a Dockerfile or Docker daemon. Finally, let's run the container. Start a container without the following command, okay? First of all, you need to go to the Docker Hub webpage and get the register in there, and get your username. Once you do that, you write your username in here. Otherwise, you won't be able to run this command. This runs the Java application inside a container, making it accessible on the specific port. So let's see this one in action. So now we are going to create our Docker image using Google Jib. For that reason, we are going to use this microservice cards. Okay, first of all, what we need to do is to delete all the content from our target file. So we delete everything from here. We delete this. Okay, after that, we go to our POM XML file. And we know what to do. We add packaging. And here. Packaging, this is going to be Java because we want our project to be packaged as a Java file. Okay, then we go to our web page of Google Jib and we take this plugin. We copy this and we paste this in our POM XML file at the end. Okay, plugin. Okay, this is going to be the next one. Plugin. Okay. We know the image. Let's go to the other one. We go to launch and we are going to copy this one because it's going to be the same. And we refresh this. So now I am located in my cards folder. So now I'm going to type this command nbn compile jib docker build. So by using this command, we are going to build our image. It's going to take some minutes. Okay, now after a few seconds, we see it has been built successfully. Great. I'm gonna clear this. So now we check in our GitHub desktop. I'm sorry, Docker desktop. It's here, cards version 1. Okay, now I'm gonna run this command. The same command that we were running before. Docker. Okay, but it's not going to be 1890. It's going to be 1990. Oh, okay, it's going to be like that. And launch is not launch, it's cards version 1. Okay, Docker run. Okay. So now we know that our container is ready. So we go and check. Okay, our container is ready. So how do we know what container is ours? This one, cards. So I'm gonna delete this. Okay, So Cubs container is ready. Let's go and check. I'm gonna open create cub and see. Great. We're gonna fetch a cub. Great. We know it's working. Thank you.